There are literally hundreds of thousands of YouTube channels that print money by the day. The way they do it is just by being faceless, means there isn't any people that recognized with that channel. So there are loops of music and people just play them, and YouTube pays money to the creators of these type of channels. So now, because we have AI and we could use AI to create this type of channels, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel that could print money for you with AI in 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. So what is a faceless YouTube channel? This is an example for a channel, a 10 of 4. You can grab really quickly the handle of this channel and go to this website named the YouTube Money Calculator. So this channel earns almost up to $5,000 a month. So there is the opportunity, and this is not a lot of viewers. You have pages like that with millions of viewers. For example, one of my favorites is the Lo-Fi. This one have almost 15 million views. Okay, so this page earn almost $100,000 a month and can earn more than that for each video in sponsorships. Okay, it's from France. Let's see how we could set up a page like that. So first of all, we want to create a song. We could do it using AI. My favorite tool to create songs using AI is Suno. So let's jump into Suno and press on create. This is suno.com. You could create songs with lyrics or without lyrics. I'll go for instrumental this time. And I want to go real niche with my channel. The more niche it's going to be, the more likelihood it will actually someone would pay attention to it. And so let's use Claude as an idea generator because I love Claude. That's my favorite AI tool. And I will ask it, hey, I am building. So I tell Claude, hey, it's for a very specific niche, music for productivity. Let's go for space and cosmic ambient. When I go into Suno, I type style of music, I will say space and cosmic ambient, lo-fi vibes. The title would be Enter the Deep Space. Great, Suno is currently creating that for me. So we have the Enter the Deep Space. The next thing I want to do is to create an image and then to animate it using Runway GN3. So Midjourney is my favorite tool to generate images, space travel, manga, cowboy. Let's say that our channel would be about space cowboys because why not? In the meantime, I'm going into my Runway Gen 3. This is you can basically upload your image to it and it will animate it for you. So there you have it. So let's take this image that looks quite unique, save it. Then I'm going to upload it to Runway. And here at Runway, you could decide if it's going to be the image is going to be the beginning of your animation or the ending of your animation. I'll go with the beginning, and I will say something like zoom out. Let's write zoom out. I want to keep it very low, like low movement type of style. Okay, so we have two different tracks. I think it's the right direction. Connect all of them and create my video for my Faceless channel. In order to do that, I will use an editing software, quite simple. So the video editor of Canva, that's the tool we'll be using this time. And there you have it. This is my video. I think I like it, to be honest. I think it's cool. We are going to use it. So I'm downloading it to my computer. Then I'm going back to the video editor of Canva. And quite simply, I am going to upload it to the Canva editor. So I'll take the video speed and I'll slow it down. Our music here. And basically we can loop it with many different audio files that we are going to create. And let's go back to the beginning and press play.